Hello everybody, I am the Crafty creator and today I am sharing a process video for a sweet Christmas card. In this video I will be showing how to use a die in a different way, Copic colouring and one layer stamping and colouring. If you enjoy my content, make sure to get clicky for Vicki. Like, subscribe and ring the bell, your support means the world to me. To create this card I used Lawn Candy Cane Lane patterned paper in green, the Sweet Christmas Mice stamp set and the Waffle Flower postage stamp die. To begin, I die cut the Waffle Flower postage collage die off screen on white cardstock. I also stamp my images and a sentiment using Memento Tuxedo black ink. I colour my images using Copic alcohol markers. The caps can be seen on the screen. I use a white gel pen to add details to the images. And then I lightly colour the backgrounds to keep this as a one layer stamp card. I don't know where the little bit of red ink came from here, but this is fixed with a white gel pen. Once the images are coloured, I use a paper trimmer to cut apart the stamps at the perforated edges. I also cut down a piece of pattern paper to A2 size for the background. Here I start to plan out where the images are going to go. I eventually decide to stamp out one more image to fill the space a little bit more. I use the images from Lawn Fawn A Creature Was Stirring stamp set. I managed to stamp the little mouse in the perfect position to make it look like she is adding the final touches to the gingerbread house. I colour this image using the same Copic markers as before and add white gel pen as well. After spending quite a bit of time trying to lay out the images, I decide to trim down the sentiment. Once I am finally happy with the layout, I attach everything with liquid glue. To fill in the spaces a little and to bring in some more red and white, I add tiny clay candy pieces. I decide where they will go and then I attach them with liquid glue. I attached a finished panel to a card base using a trick I have picked up along my crafting journey. In order to make sure the panel is lined up with the card base, I used the corner of a scoreboard. As this is a Christmas card, I add a little stardust stickles to the images and clay pieces for some added sparkle. And here is the finished card. Normally I would use the postage stamp die as a complete piece, but for this card I wanted to change it up a little. It took a little more work on the layout than I would normally do, but I am very happy with the final look. This card was inspired by episode 238 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. I used a postage stamp collage. Green, red and white would almost definitely be found in an Italian restaurant. There is a short sentiment on the card. Mice are short, and there are also short diagonal lines. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it's all about, and I hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to Craft Roulette on YouTube. It's so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to get CLICKY for Vicki. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care and I'll be back soon.